Hi. Baby man. Baby man, you joining mommy? Oh my god. Come on my shoulder. Come on my shoulder. He's never done that. That was so cool. So I am sitting at my vanity where I normally get ready, and I am going out for a little date night tonight. Oh, okay, sir. And I figured I would get ready on camera. So this isn't my normal setup, obviously, but it was kind of like a spur of the moment type of thing, and I don't know, it's been a while since I've done like a vlog style get ready with me. So I'm gonna go for like a soft glam look, probably like all matte, just like simple, my like kind of go-to look, I would say at the moment. For a primer, I'm using the Cover FX blurring primer. This one is almost empty. It's really good. It just blurs and mattifies your face, which I love. So I just showered and blow dried my hair. It is 4:51 p.m. currently, and we have dinner around 8 o'clock tonight. So hopefully I should be good on time. 5 and 6 Fiona Styles. I just can't seem to shake these foundations, guys. And I'm gonna drag that down onto my neck. Still have a nice tan from the Bahamas. So this is like my perfect combination, 5 and 6 together. With my damp beauty blender, I'm gonna take whatever is left on my hand and just push it into my skin. Hi, babe.
What are you doing?
I am putting my makeup on. What are you doing?
Alright, we have dinner at 8:15.
Okay.
So I'll leave here, come get you.
Okay.
You can, and then we'll leave from the house.
So what time do I have to be ready by? 8?
No, 8:15 reservations. 7:45.
Okay. I am doing cream contour with the Midnight Marigold by Graftobian. And then with that same brush that I use for my foundation, I'm gonna just do a little bit like all around my face. I like to warm up my face with the cream contour because I find that I use way less like powder contour or bronzer at the end. And I think it just kind of like holds the makeup on better. I don't know, it's just personal preference. So today was really fun. We went up to Edgewater to see the design plans. My boyfriend is opening up a barbershop, and he has this amazing designer, so we got to go all the way up there and see like renderings, which is really cool, so you can see like exactly what the place is gonna look like. So that was awesome. It was a really, really good day, and now we're gonna go out to dinner with a couple of his friends to celebrate, and that is my plan. So for concealer, I'm actually gonna take a little bit of this CoverGirl in Perfect Beige. It has a little bit of like a pink undertone, and I'm just gonna apply that under my eyes, like for any dark circles, and then also like on the sides of my lips. So like that right under the eyes, just to really brighten it. I can't believe it's March already. We are going to Fort Lauderdale next weekend. Me, my friend Lindsay, her husband Angelo, and our friend Vinny, and then we're meeting Nicole and Jeremy down in Florida. We're gonna celebrate Mom's birthday. So excited. We rented this gorgeous house, so this is gonna be amazing. And then to highlight, I'm using my usual Shape Tape. This one's more of like a yellow undertone, so I like to use the pink just really under my eyes just to brighten them, and then the yellow. So we leave Saturday and then we come back Wednesday, so it'll be a fun, definitely a fun trip. I'm definitely gonna vlog it. I feel like all of 2020 I've been either sick or traveling. And sorry, I'm like looking up at the screen flipped up because this mirror is like super low, so I'm using the flip up screen from my vlog camera as a mirror as well. For those wondering, I use this Sony a5100 still. I've been using the same one for like years and years. I don't know, creature of habit, guys. I have so many other cameras and I somehow always go back to this one. And then I have a little foundation left on the back of my hand. I'm just taking this brush and I'm just gonna go over the nose contour like that. I'm gonna go in with the Ben Nye Fair Powder for under my eyes. To bronze up all of the areas that I use the cream contour, I'm using the Il Makiage Waka Waka Baked Bronzer. I'm gonna just very lightly go the very light hand bronze over the contoured area. And I use like barely any product, which I like because when you do the cream contour underneath, it just allows you to use way less product, which is nice. As I mentioned, like I've been sick a lot since 2020, decided to take the best of me. When I was in Bahamas in January with my boyfriend, we got back and I ended up getting the flu, which was so fun. So I was sick for about a week with the flu. And then once I started feeling better, I started getting like this really weird stomach pain, like a bad pain, or so I thought it was a stomach pain. I just like dealt with it for a couple days. I ended up going to the doctor and then it just kept getting like progressively worse. So I ended up in the emergency room and I was there literally all day. They did a CAT scan, an ultrasound. They just like tested me, like took my blood, like tested me just for everything, trying to figure out like what was going on because it was just like this severe pain for over a week at that point when I was there. So after being there all day, they realized that it was like a really bad bladder infection, which is oh so fun. So luckily it was nothing serious, of course. I'm very grateful for that. It ended up going up into my kidneys. So that's why I was feeling like pain, which I thought was my stomach, but it was in fact my kidneys. So that was fun. And then when I ended up coming back from the Bahamas again, my boyfriend was sick with a cold. So I don't know if the cold was from being on the airplane again or just from him, but it was like, it wasn't a terrible cold. So I'm fine now. Luckily, no coronavirus or anything like that, which it's so crazy. I think they just found out like the first person from New York was diagnosed with it. So it's really just like, I can't even believe what's going on. So everyone, wherever you are, please stay safe. I need all of you guys staying safe. 2020 has been crazy for me so far. I'm cleansing my life of all the negative. I lost a best friend. I'm no longer with my manager. My boyfriend moved in last weekend, which is positive, a very positive thing. We've been together for a little over 6 months now, so we figured it was time. So he moved in, which is awesome. So there's just like a lot of life changes going on right now, and you know, I'm just trying to roll with it. Put up like 150 items like from my closet that I was selling, and I'm definitely gonna be doing a lot more of those. Like I said, I'm trying to like cleanse and clean my life. Plus I had to make room for the male version of me who has so many clothes. So I am definitely getting rid of a ton of stuff. So stay tuned for that. So like the base of the face, I got my nails done yesterday too, by the way. The base of the face is done. So I don't know, I wanna use a new ColourPop palette for today's look. So I have the Blush Crush, which is really beautiful and speaking to my soft glam type of look, or I have this one, which is also amazing. I've used it before. It's the Bare Necessities. So I already have like in my head what I want to do because I do this look pretty much all the time. So I'm picking up the color Lovesick, and this is gonna go all over the lid. I'm then grabbing Cheek to Cheek. I am gonna take this and blend it with a large fluffy blending brush, and this is gonna go right into my crease. I feel like this look is like perfect for spring as well. I'm then using a smaller blending brush, and I'm going back to that same bronzer. Just like that. Taking a little bit of Made You Blush, and I'm just gonna apply that just like where the darker meets the light. For eyeliner, Better Than Sex liner, like a thick liner. For lashes, I'm just using these ones. I used them earlier. They're the Ardell Double Up 113s, but I took them off before my shower and I'm just gonna reuse them. While the lashes are drying, I'm gonna do my brows with the Granite Brow Wiz. I'm gonna grab a little bit of the color Velveteen from the Bare Necessities palette. I kinda just wanna like darken up just the crease a little bit. How Rouge, and I like to smudge it down pretty far. Like it just like opens up my eyes. I'm gonna take this Awake liner. For mascara, I'm using the Buxom Lash Mascara. I'm grabbing the color Blossom Up, and that's going right here. I'm gonna grab my palette with Anastasia, and I'm gonna grab the color Bali, and I'm gonna use that to highlight my nose. I'm gonna try this lip liner. I've never used it before. It is Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk. It might be too pink, but we're gonna play around with it and see. Yeah. All right, so what I'm gonna do, because I love this color, I'm gonna fill in my lips, and then I'm gonna take Luna from my lip collection and line it just to add some more dimension. I'm gonna take a little bit more of that Made You blush. Just like place it right on the center lid. Just because it really matches that lip color that I just created. So with a small brush, I'm taking this color from my Shade and Light palette. It's more of like the lighter peachy one. And I'm just applying that like right on the sides of my nose and over the nose contour. I'm gonna do a little bit of Libra. It's a little, like a drop too pink. I like to like make my own lipsticks. So now for blush, I'm gonna take Sweet Pea from Flower. I love a lot of blush. And I just got this new Natasha Denona Love, how cool, Glow blush palette. So I'm gonna take a little bit of this Diamond Glow. And just add a little bit over the blush. Just gonna add like a tiny bit of a shimmer. All right, so I'm doing good on time. It's 6:09. It's a little bit slower than normal because, you know, I'm talking through this with you guys. I'm gonna do one more spray. I don't know if I wanna do lip gloss yet. I'm gonna see once my hair is done. I feel like a lot of the times when I do film like makeup videos, it's really just for YouTube and then I'm not really going anywhere after. And I can't tell you how many times I have gotten ready and just sat and edited and didn't get to show the world the makeup. So I'm just sectioning my hair into two parts. This is the straightener that I've been using. It's the GHD Platinum one. It heats up super quick. It works amazing, but it's just like, I think overly priced. It's not necessary in my opinion. So I just go over the roots because my keratin's growing out. So my roots are like getting a little crazy. For the wand, I don't know what size this is. I would say it's like an inch wand, 1 inch wand. And this one is by Numi. This one's so old, but it's honestly just works really well. So I am just gonna do like, I guess curls, like loose curls in my hair. It was so nice seeing all of your comments on, so I'll just like to hold it like this for a little bit. You know what? I'm gonna go all out and I'm gonna pin these curls tonight, even though I normally don't. Never mind, I'm not gonna, because I don't want them like too curly, so I'm just gonna hold it for a couple seconds. But yeah, it was so nice to see all of your comments on my last video, the boyfriend tag with Anthony. You know, it was a little nerve-wracking filming like an actual video and introducing him to you guys just because I have heard it all. Now I know he won't be scared to do another video with me. I was like, oh, if it doesn't go too well, I know it's gonna be hard getting him back on here, but we just like sat down and we were just like completely ourselves. And I guess you guys were able to see that through the camera, so that makes me really happy. So yay. Yay! I'm gonna just do one more section. So I'm just gonna throw back the pieces that I already did. I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm just gonna go over just like the pieces that are nice and frizzy. My roots are really growing in too with my color, like my natural color, which is like a lighter brown. I'm like tempted. Do I go back to the dark hair? Do I leave it? I really need your guys' opinion. Do you think I should keep the light pieces or do you think I should go back to dark? So for the front piece, I always pin it because this one is like what falls the most for me. It like almost falls instantly. So if I leave it pinned while I do the rest of the hair, and then while I like pick out my outfit, that's usually enough time and then it lasts a lot longer. Same thing on this side. I always get nervous doing my front pieces because I read like that blonde hair you can't use as much heat on. So I get nervous because my hair is very dry with the highlights. That's for damn sure. I'm gonna use the Way Soft Hairspray. And let it just set for a little bit and then I'll brush it through in a little bit. I'm gonna go look for an outfit. I'll be back. I think I know what I'm wearing. So I'm gonna take this out, spray it again. And then I just like to brush through the hair. and spray it once it's brushed. So you can see the difference just from one brush. I'm debating if I want to wear these earrings. So I'm thinking I'm honestly gonna wear sneakers. I don't know. Just jeans, this like little sweater. It's from a Pretty Little Thing. Anthony necklace. And I don't know about the earrings. I feel like the earrings might be a little bit much. So yeah, I don't know, sneakers or heels. I just kind of want to wear sneakers. That is it for my soft glam. Get ready with me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you guys so much. Please, please comment below and let me know what else you guys want to see on my channel next week. I am looking out for all of your suggestions because I want to post, of course, what you guys want to see.
Hi. I looked through my phone for like an hour.
Come say hello.
Hi, baby.
Now to my friends.
Hello, friends. What's happening?
Hi.
You are so beautiful. He looks just like me. You know why? I don't know why. Just gonna say hi and measure that up.
Okay.
Hi.
Hi.
Huggles.
Huggles.
Well, your YouTube friends haven't reached out. They have not said, Tarte, partay.
Alright guys, so I am getting ready to head out now. I'll give you guys like a quick pan of my full outfit, but I'm gonna go hang out with Dad for a little bit before we leave, and I will see you guys next time.